Students from the Malang National Vocational School have produced a locally made, see, homegrown production, right? Locally made e-bicycle. E-bicycle?
Yeah, e-bikes. E-bikes.
And this electric bicycle are sold between 4 to 12 million rupiah.
COVID-19 pandemic does not stop these students of Malang City National Vocational School to innovate. These students have successfully produced an electric bicycle. These bicycles are powered with lithium batteries and claim to be of high quality because of the quick charging features and competitive price point. The headmaster of the school, Muhammad Taufik, said these bicycles are sold between 4 to 12 million rupiah, depending on the battery capacity and make. It takes these students 4 to 5 days to assemble one of these e-bikes.
Masa pandemi ini saya lihat statistik permintaan sepeda itu cukup tinggi, menyebabkan harga sepeda naik. Ya, yang itu kami lihat sebagai peluang pasar. Di sisi yang lain, itu ada alih teknologi, karena kami punya dua jurusan teknik sepeda motor dan jurusan kendaraan ringan atau otomotif. Dan itu 10 tahun lagi belum tentu jurusan itu ada.
The Deputy Mayor of Malang, Sofian Edi Jarwoko, even bought one for himself.
Bisa dikembangkan terus oleh SMK, baik untuk kepentingan masyarakat maupun kepentingan pemerintahan. Saya kira ada hal yang perlu dan pas untuk dilakukan itu, sesuai dengan kebutuhan di tengah-tengah masyarakat tentunya. Dan ini adalah peluang baru untuk bisa digunakan masyarakat sebagai lahan usaha.
Jarwoko encourages the development of this product so it can be sold to a wider market, which can help economic recovery during the pandemic.